Today I am going to show you this beautiful snowflakes. It's very easy. And I am using this yarn for this, and my crochet hook is 2 mm. Then let's get started. First I need a magic loop, and I'm going to make a 3 chain. 1 2 3, and I'm going to make another 2 double crochets. 1 2. Now I'm going to make 7 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 chain, and I'm going to make a 3 double crochet again. One, 3 double crochet, and I'm going again 7 double crochets and 3 now I'm going 7 chain, 3 double crochet, and you need 6 segment like this. Okay, now I'm going to do 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and again 3 double crochet. 1 2 3, and again 7, and you need 6 segment like this. Now I have 5 segments. 1 2 3 4 5. Sixth one I am going to make 3 chain. 1 2 3 chain and double crochet for first one here, top of 3 chain. Make a double crochet for. Okay, now I need 3 more chain. 1 2 3 plus 1, and then I'm going to make a picot. 1 2 3 chain picot and a slip stitch in the third chain. Okay, and I'm going to make double crochet in this 5 chain gap here. Same thing. 1 double crochet and make a 3 chain, 1 chain, make chain 1 and make another double crochet. Okay, it's look like this. Now I am going to next 5 chain gap here, next 5 chain gap, and make a double crochet. 1 double crochet and make a chain and make another double crochet. Okay, and now I need 3 chain picot. 1 2 3, and make a slip stitch and 1 chain again, make a double crochet here. Okay, like this. Now you need 2 chain. 1 2 chain and make a 4 chain picot. 1 2 3 4 chain picot and make 2 chain. 1 2 and make a double crochet here again. And chain 1, again 3 chain picot. 1 2 3 and make a slip stitch, and again double crochet double crochet and make a chain, another double crochet here. Okay, I'm still in 5 chain gap, and I am going to move next one, and you keep going until here. I am in the last part, I'm last one, and I'm going to make a double crochet in this first. We start here and we need to go to the first petal and make a double crochet in there, one double crochet, and make a chain, and again make a double crochet, because we start first in the one side. We need to make this part in here, and double crochet and 3 chain picot, 3 chain picot, and make 1 chain and make double crochet again here. Okay, and again 2 chain and 4 chain picot, 1 2 3 4, 4 chain picot, 4 chain picot, again 2 chain, and we are going to find 3 chain, top of 3 chain, 1 2 3, and we are going here and make a slip stitch. Oh, sorry. Okay, slip stitch, and I am going to cut down my yarn, and our snowflake is look like this. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts and ideas, and check out my other videos for more fun crochet projects. Bye bye, see you again.